everyone, my name is Mandis and I want to welcome you to part 2 of my group trip to Puerto Vallarta, Mexico. Enjoy!
Y'all kept saying cruise, and I'm like, it's not a cruise, it's just a boat ride to where we're
That's
going.
what they called it though when you book.
Yeah.
You have open bar on here.
Yes.
You eat at the location and then you watch the show.
Hola.
Ladies and gentlemen, very good afternoon to all of you. Hola. Once again, hola. Se siente, you put the energy now. Vámonos, let's go. Vamos a un lugar que estamos menos allá en la mitad de la nada. Se está preguntándose en los próximos minutos vamos a comenzar maniobras de atraque. Ladies and gentlemen, from this
Bienvenidos. Yeah. Welcome. Yeah. Please. Juan's waiting for you there. Juan. Cinco. Bienvenidos, amigos. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Giving us water, he's fucking
This is where
The name restaurant here is the Fishing Man for you going back here, right? The dinner is the proposal. Wine I have for dinner, red wine and white wine?
I don't know any wine.
No wine?
Yeah, well,
I think just water.
yeah,
Okay, water for
So this is a picture of my dinner with this reservation. We had a buffet style dinner, all you can eat, and it was really good. I give it 2 thumbs up.
I welcome you to this great celebration.
So what do you rate this experience on 1 out of 10?
Solid 9.
A solid 9. What about you, Everton?
I give it a 10.
A 10? Yay! Look at my other friends over there making friends. Angelique, what would you rate this experience on 1 out of 10? What would you rate this experience on 1 out of 10? This experience. For this? Yes. Oh, it was good. Listen over here having the whole conversation. Joy, what would you rate this experience out of 1 to 10? The whole experience. I would say a 9. A 9? Okay. That's a good vote. We just got back. Everyone is getting off the boat. And we will be headed back to our resort. It was a really good experience. My vote is I'll give it a 9. The food was good, the show was great, and the service is really good too. I highly recommend it. The rhythm of the nights. So on our last day, this is our last day, we decided to have a pool day and a beach day here at the resort. So that's what we're doing today. Got a little chilled drink in hand, and we are just soaking in all of the sun, all of the beautiful views of this beach, and all the good vibes. It's really good vibes here. So here's the beach. Y'all, I got one friend over there in the rock. We got one over here being a model. Over here taking selfies. We got one over here getting somebody trying to sell us something. No, thank you, son. She said no to drugs. She said she was in the dare program. We got another friend. She's pretty much all the way in the sea. You can only see her head. Those are my friends.
Then you only pay half a price, okay?
What'd you say?
He said if we get all the questions right, the ride is free. He said if
Okay.
we get 3 out of 4 questions right, the ride is 200 pesos.
I got a little rule.
150?
I got a little.
150 half. It's 300.
Oh, what big deal?
I got a
Don't
little.
make that an extra.
No, it's okay. 350, senor. You speak very good Espanol. I know what's English. I never mind.
So what's the rules?
Okay, I got a big problem and a little rule. See, my big problem is my English. You hear that I speak not very good English. Okay, so you gotta pay a little attention. My rule is not a team question. It's individual question. So 4 questions, 4 different persons. You guys cannot help each
We
other.
cannot help each other.
Baby, I
You
don't
cannot
know.
call a friend.
Could not call him.
And you cannot use Google, okay?
No.
That's okay. So no cheating. Comprende? First question is for one gentleman. Somebody voluntary.
That's more
I'm gonna have to say
the first one though.
You want to?
For the
I think
first
we
one.
need to save him. All right, you need to go.
All right.
You
I think
go
it
first,
goes.
senor. Okay. Something that I forgot to say, for each question you only have one answer, okay? So that means take your time. Otherwise, if you mix your question, that means you mix your free ride. Comprende?
Comprendo.
You understand my English,
Comprendo.
amigo? Okay. So this is not my question yet, pero ¿cómo te llamas, amigo? Excuse me.
Me llamo Everton.
Everton, okay, this is my question. Everton, how many number 9s are from 1 to 100? All the number 9s. How many number 9s total? 9, 19, 29, 29, 49. All the 9s. So only one answer. Take your time. Use your fingers if you want. Let's double check.
To 100?
Yeah, to 100. From 1 to 100. And this is one of the hardest questions. I've been doing this for 14, 15 years, and nobody get a free ride before. But all my questions, those are like
you know what you're
very
doing.
easy ones. So you cannot get help from nobody. Only one answer.
Nobody, baby.
Ooh, I think I know where he's going with this one too.
Yeah, I think it 10.
10.
Oh,
That wasn't in it.
10 is the wrong answer.
10 is the wrong answer.
99 has 2 nines.
Yeah, that's what I said.
99
is 2 nines.
No, and then the right answer is 20.
What?
20. Okay.
Are you counting the
Okay.
numbers that are 4 plus 5 that equal to 9?
I just count all the 9s.
It's 9,
Nine.
19, 29, 39, 49, 59, 69, 79, 89, and 99 is 2. 99 is 2.
So that's what?
11.
But see what happened, you count from 10 and 10. So from 89, from 89 you
Oh my God, 91, 92, 93. Oh my God.
well, there's that.
Now you know, huh?
Thanks for playing.
Gotta pay full price. Is that the snapper?
It's real fried. And the lobster tail for 2 persons. Open the middle, garlic and butter on the top, rice and vegetable for 2, and include 2 tortilla soup or 2 clam chowder for 3,800 pesos. Really good. And the blue shrimp. If you like it Portuguese, arriero, coconut, any recipe in the menu, include 1 tortilla soup or 1 clam chowder for 750 pesos. Rice and vegetable. Lots of shrimp. And the
Hey, ¿cuántas do you get?
4 pieces.
4?
Yes. 4 pieces.
They do that?
guacamole that they made right here at the table. And it comes with those chips.
Damn, I could ask him for a line.
He is making a Caesar salad. He just made the dressing.
Oh, it's my salad. I can't take it.
Yes, I
Yes. Yes.
Happy Happy birthday!
Thank you.
I wish I had a. I'll just give it to him.
Buy the whole box, man.
Hello. This our last night here. What did you think, Mo?
This was lit.
It was lit. What y'all thought of the trip, guys? Nia, what did you think of the trip? What did
5 out of 5 stars. Highly recommend.
Angie, what did you think of the trip?
It was wonderful.
Wonderful.
Ready to book the next one.
Jen,
Yo,
what you think of the trip?
I think it's too short.
Oh, okay. Joy, what is amazing?
Highly recommend.
Highly
5
recommend.
stars.
Yes. Highly recommend, guys.
Save every day like a treasure and then
Best birthday.
Everton,
Yeah,
so how was the trip?
the trip was amazing.
It was amazing. What was your favorite
Enjoyed
part?
every minute of it.
Every minute?
Every minute.
So every minute was your favorite part?
Birthday night.
Birthday night
was
at the
lit.
club. Okay.
Yeah.
What was your favorite part, Mo?
Everything.
Everything.
Oh, I love the fire show.
The fire-
Definitely the fire show. Rhythm of the night.
Rhythm of the night. Okay. What was your favorite part, Joy? Everything. Everything? Everything. Look at them. Jen, what was your favorite part?
Oh, Jen's doesn't care.
Huh? What's your favorite part of the trip?
Drinking tequila.
Oh, okay. Angelique, what was your favorite part of the trip?
Everything we did.
What was your favorite part of the trip?
Favorite part of the trip?
Yeah.
There was so many. By the beach too. That was nice.
So
I
many.
mean, I guess y'all was good too.
Definitely that place we went to the other night.
Okay, Everton's birthday night?
Yeah.
Okay. And then Nia, what was your favorite part of the trip? Oh, we're not gonna answer? what was your favorite part of the trip?
I would have to say the food. I got a lot of stuff I would never get to try, so definitely the food.
Was it Mar and Vino's that was your favorite, or the
I
blue
like them
shrimp?
all.
You like them all? Okay. Oh, and you went to that Italian restaurant.
Yeah.
What's the name of the Italian one?
Oh gosh, the Dolce Vita.
Okay. So the food was her favorite part. Was it? I would have to say my favorite part was the Rhythms of the Night show. That was really, really nice. There are people up there. Y'all, so the McDonald's here, their ice cream machine work. They got a whole line with people just getting their ice cream cone. We out here in the pool. Fellas getting a little dip in. We about to play a game.
Oh, who's up?
5 cards in your hand. You have to choose the one card that you feel like the judge might least like. And then the judge is going to get all the cards, and then they're going to choose which card they feel is the worst option for them. If they choose your card, then you get 1 point. And the first person to 5 points wins.
Okay.
Right?
Right. Y'all check out Maurice's departing airport outfit.
Okay. I mean,
Look at it though.
I mean, if I show
Y'all,
you
he
this
stayed
again,
ready for the airport.
if I show you this again on Friday.
Look at the shirt on the inside.
Okay. All right.
to go. We're leaving.
Am I? You want to just post it in the PG group? You don't give me no responsibility. Of course you're going to get a
Good morning.
We're leaving.
So look at you guys, huh? Now the
Bye,
same,
Puerto
the nice side, too nice.
Vallarta.
Good. Now look at your face.
Thank you for watching part 2 of our trip to Puerto Vallarta, and don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe.